Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lace pattern called the Belgian Lace, and this is a very nice lace worked in the round, and you can make these blocks with whichever yarn you like. All yarns are suitable for this block, and I worked this with 8-ply cotton yarn from Magic Needles. Okay, so let us go into the video without much delay. Let's go into the video. I'm using 8-ply cotton yarn and 4.5 mm crochet hook. First chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and make it into a ring. Alternatively you can have the magic ring made, that is no issues at all. Then chain 3 for the first round and place 6 DCs in the ring, all in the ring. Chain 3 counts as the first DC. So I have placed 6 DCs. Now chain 7, seven DCs, chain 7 DCs, 2 more times, 3 more times. I shall also complete 3 times and then get back to you. To complete this round, chain 4 and make a double crochet in the third chain of the first 3 chain. Yeah. So this will bring us to the center of the chain here. Now chain 10. This chain 10 will count as 1 DC and chain 7. 1, 2, 3 in the third chain, place your stitch marker. You will have to slip stitch into this when you come back. Now place a single crochet in the middle DC of the 7 DC group. That is 1, 2, 3 in the fourth DC of the 7 DC group. Now chain 7. Seven DCs under the chain 7 loop. Chain 7, SC in the fourth DC, chain 7, 7 DC group in the next 7 chain space, and repeat this pattern sequence, this stitch sequence all around till this edge. I shall meet you at this particular point. We've come to the beginning of this round here, and in this space we have to place 6 double crochets. Six double crochets. Now we have placed the stitch marker in the third chain. Into that we need to slip stitch and join. Slip stitch and join. Slip stitch into next 3 chains. Slip stitch into the next chain, into the next, into the next. Here we are going to make a cluster. Chain 3 first and 2 incomplete DCs under this chain 7 space. And complete this first cluster. Chain 3. Sorry, let me make this all right. This cluster is made. Chain 3. One cluster in the next chain 7 space. 1, 2 and 3 incomplete DCs, and complete the cluster. Now chain 11. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and place a double crochet, 1 double in the 4th DC. Skip 3 DCs and in the 4th you place a double. 1, 2, 3. Chain 11. Now in these 2 spaces you need to place 1 cluster each, separated by 3 chains. Again chain 11, DC in the 4th DC of the previous 7 DC group. Continue this pattern. I shall meet you in the beginning of this round. So this is the last chain 11 spacing. Now slip stitch and join to the very first cluster that you have made here. So this is how it looks after this particular round. So we have these corners with clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, 2 clusters separated by chain 3s, and you have the chain 11 spaces, 8 sets of chain 11 spaces. Now you slip stitch to the 3 chain space for the next round, and then begin your next cluster. Next cluster is going to be chain 3, 2 incomplete double crochets here. This is the beginning one, so it is chain 3, 2 incomplete double crochets, and complete the cluster. And then chain 8, place 7 DCs in each of the next 11 chain spaces. So place 7 DCs each. I shall meet you at the next corner. I have placed 2 sets of 7 DCs, 1 in each of the chain 11 spaces. Now chain 8, place a cluster in between these 2 clusters, that is under the chain 3 space. So chain 8, 7 DC in each of the next 11 chain spaces, cluster. So repeat it. This is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and I shall also repeat 3 times and get back to you. Come to the end of this round here. I have placed my last 7 DC. Now chain 8, slip stitch to the first cluster made here. For the next round, chain 4, that is considered as treble, 2 trebles in the same cluster here. See that? Yeah. Now 4 DCs under the chain 8 space. Skip the next DC and place 1 DC each in each of the next 12 DCs. So I shall place and get back to you. I shall make 12 DCs, one on each of the next 12 DCs, and get back to you. Skip the next DC and place 4 double crochets in the chain 8 space. Now we have to work the corner on the treble, on the cluster. So make 3 trebles, chain 3 and 3 trebles. This is the corner, all in the same cluster. Sorry, I made it a double. Except the corners, there is no chain spaces elsewhere. So this corner is made. Now place 4 double crochets, skip 1, 12 double crochets, 1 on each. Then the corner 3 trebles, chain 3 trebles, and continue this pattern for the entire round. I shall meet you at this particular beginning point. Here we go. We've completed the Belgian lace. This lace is a beautiful lace for any lacy projects that you'd like to have blocks and join the blocks together. And you can join these blocks in any which way you like and make into your final projects. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too so that it reaches the maximum number of crochet friends. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video. Bye for now.